Good morning, Lehigh Valley. Today on 180 News, we have an exciting announcement.
As you know, Ocean Spray, a Lehigh Valley manufacturer, is holding a special promotion for middle schoolers.
4 lucky winners have found the golden bottle cap and will be able to take a special tour of the Ocean Spray facility and meet some of the employees.
That's right, one golden bottle cap remains. Could it be you?
Man, you're so lucky you won the golden bottle cap.
I know, I'm so excited to go.
Well, I'm gonna go to my locker, I guess.
Hey kid, I heard you got the golden bottle cap. If you give me the secret formula, I'll make it rich.
What's the process?
Well, from the beginning, it starts in a cranberry bog, and they're gonna flood the bog, push all the cranberries to the top, they skim everything off, load it in the trucks, take it to a processor. Processor crushes everything up, then we get shipped the concentrate.
The process starts in our blend department. The blend makes the juice, and then it gets filled in one of those big tanks that you saw earlier. Once it goes there, it gets sent to my machine, the filler.
The first station here is going to be DPAL, and they load all the bottles on to the conveyor for me. And then it makes it into a single file line and pumps it into the rinser, and then the filler and the capper. But it'll work its way down the assembly line then.
They will go through our labeler, and they come down to our packer. And once they get wrapped, they'll then head to our palletizer and get shipped out.
If you give me the secret formula, I'll make it rich.
So what's the secret formula?
Ocean Spray's quality and consistency has remained unchanged since the 1930s.
It's farmer owned and operated. Rather than being one out of 100,000 employees, I'm one of 3,000 employees.
So I think what's special about Ocean Spray is that we're owned by the farmers. So our farmers are kind of our bosses.
What makes it so great is the juice. I love all the juice that we make here. We are a family owned by 600 cooperatives. So working at Ocean Spray feels like a family.
What's the secret formula?
Secret formula? There is no secret formula. It's the love and care that Ocean Spray puts into its products every day.